Today it's Friday. One second. Yeah, it's Friday, December 12, 2025. RS3 DAZA. DAZA from RS3. Okay. The first cylinder head, the ported head with the aftermarket valves, valve springs, retainers, and so on, had the melt valve. Alright. Then the second cylinder head, again for the RS3, that the owner, he purchased it from eBay and he bring it here, to strip it off and see the condition. It had a melt valve. Alright, you can watch the previous video. What's my plan? What I'm going to do now? I'm not gonna touch the cylinder head at all. As is, I'm gonna put the cover back in place and I'm gonna take it outside of the engine room in a box, and then for this cylinder head, I'm gonna strip off, I'm gonna remove the valve springs, retainers, okay? The tensioner, the bolts, whatever it has. I'm gonna keep the intake valves, exhaust valves, I'm gonna return back to the customer. It's not gonna be healthy, and for the intake, it's question mark. We're gonna see about the intake valves, alright? Yesterday, I received the upgrade camshafts by Kelford, okay? But I don't know if it's for this engine, if it's for the RS3, or it's for the other car. We're gonna see about that. I have to ask. I have received it, I have it in the box, I haven't even opened it from the box. Okay, it's not now the time, by any means. Then, why I want to create some space here, and why I still have need some lubrication for the door, and why I still have the rest of the engine here. One of the reasons is I don't have an engine stand. Next week I will gonna have 3-4 engine stands available, alright, but currently I don't have an engine stand. Except of this, you don't need even to cover it, or you know what, no, leave it covered for now. I'm gonna strip off completely the engine. I wanna see how it looks like the crankshaft main bearings, the connector bearings. The connector bearings most probably we're gonna replace them because of the upper bearing cell, and piston rings. Fine. Once again, I'm gonna use again the same pistons at the same cylinder. I'm not gonna mix up the pistons because there is some run out on the cylinders, and the piston is being married with a cylinder run out. Okay. Yeah, it's morning. I have some misfire in the mornings. Okay. So that's the plan for this engine. Here inside of this box, I have the parts that I have opened from this engine. I haven't taken it all inside of the engine room. And why I don't want to mix them up and why I'm saying all this what I'm saying. Because yesterday night, we received another DAZA engine. Alright, this one, that's how we receive it. We didn't open the engine by any means. That's how it came to us. I see here a new head gasket. Here it's supposed to have a new engine block. Alright, without the rivets, without the plugs for the oil galleries, and don't throw in the box like this the cover with the camshafts. It's not good to have metal to metal contact. I am gonna make another box for this engine, and I'm gonna put the crankshaft rear seal or the front one. No, this is, dang, I don't remember. No, this is the rear one. The crankshaft rear seal, the head gasket, the old gaskets, I'm gonna place them in a box. I'm not planning to use the old gaskets, obviously. And as far as I can see, there are new gaskets here. Head gaskets here, new gaskets are here. The magnesium cover, it's here. The pulse wheel here. I hope to running through and don't have any dent or bent or whatever. Okay, so this is different engine. I don't know to which car belongs. I don't know the mileage. I don't know the kilometers. Here we have cam adjusters. I can see here. All right, and it's missing here one connector and one piston. It might be somewhere here inside with the parts. Maybe they didn't send it. No, that's not the case. I don't care actually because I have a new block, right? I don't care for that. what I do care from this, the oil pump, I need to check it, crankshaft, most probably gonna send out the machine shop for one light polishing and to check that it's running through. But like I said, this is a different video. This is a different video. Don't mix up the fucking videos. You know, because when I make the video for the other engine, I'm gonna repeat myself again. I'm gonna say exactly the same things again and again. Now, what's the plan? This, the donor cylinder head, goes in a box outside next to the RS3 engine. This cylinder head, stripping it off, keeping the valves. Let me do that to create some space. And like I said, I have no clue in which engine should I install the camshafts. We're gonna see when it comes the time. Let's work on it. Let's move on. I have all the parts. I have it. I have the valve springs and the valves here, and I have here some other parts. That these parts, the studs and the nuts, belongs to this cylinder head. That's why I put it over there. That's why I separate them left and right. The camshafts and the bridge up the cover for the cylinder head, it's outside in a box. It's wrapped to don't hurt it. Right. Okay, let's stick to the plan. Find the box, put the cylinder head in, and deal with this. Let's do that. Right, I remove now the valves, springs, retainers. I remove also the washers, because for the, this is what? The exhaust, yes, exhaust. For the exhaust has the washer on the seal, and you need this washer together with the valve spring, all right? Now what? I'm gonna keep these boxes inside. I'm gonna write a tag that's this for the RS3 to don't mix it up. Why I'm bothering with this? The melt valve with the seals and the cylinder head goes out. Let me do that. Yeah. Here's where we're gonna be the parts. Here inside I have intake and exhaust valves, valve springs, retainers, the safe, the studs for the exhaust manifold with the nuts and the washers and the tensioner, and I have the camshafts that I don't know if it belongs, if I'm supposed to install it on this engine or in different DAZA. Okay, and I have this tag here, RS3 DAZA, to don't mix it up. Then let's go outside. Then here outside I have the cylinder head from eBay with a melt valve. I have the cylinder head that was belong to this engine, and currently I'm standing by because they said to me pause it until we see what are we gonna do with the head. So I'm pausing this and I'm starting a video for this to see what we have, at least to separate the parts that I'm not gonna use and to see with what we have to deal with. I think that they asked me also if it's been ported, the cylinder head. Let's see also that. Let's see what we have. All right, let's start from that. Let's get an empty boxes and separate. But this is a different video. Fuck my mind. This is a different video. All right, this one. This, pausing it until we see how to continue. All right. Thank you.